Welcome back to Motor Vision, your ultimate stop for everything on wheels. From classic rides to futuristic innovations, we bring the road to your screen. If you love cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, so you never miss a ride. Now, let's talk about something that blends nostalgia with next-gen flair. The all-new 2025 Nissan Figaro. Yes, it's back. The Nissan Figaro, originally a quirky, limited edition city car from the early 90s, has made a bold return in 2025. And it's every bit as charming as you'd hope, with a healthy dose of modern tech sprinkled in. Designed to turn heads and spark conversations, this retro-modern hatchback is targeting a very specific vibe. Stylish, compact, and unapologetically different. Let's start with the design. Nissan didn't just draw inspiration from the 1991 Figaro, they embraced it. The 2025 model carries that same iconic rounded silhouette, circular headlights, and chrome detailing that made the original a cult favorite. But this time around, it's sharper, sleeker, and more refined. The lines are cleaner, the body feels tighter, and there's just enough futuristic design language to tell you it belongs in this decade. You've got LED lighting all around, updated bumpers, and even a retractable soft top that pays homage to the original's semi-convertible style. It still feels whimsical, but now it has the polish to go with it. And the color options? Nissan brought back those pastel-inspired tones. Mint green, powder blue, soft pink, and ivory white, but with a more premium finish. Now let's hop inside. The interior is where the magic really happens. It's a perfect blend of retro aesthetic and modern functionality. You're greeted by leather-wrapped seats with subtle stitching, chrome switchgear, and a two-tone dashboard that screams vintage without sacrificing usability. The circular air vents and analog-style dials are a nice throwback. But right in the center sits a crisp 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, there's a heads-up display, because it's still 2025 after all. What's even more impressive is how much attention Nissan has given to detail. The materials feel premium, even though this is still a small urban car. The steering wheel has that old-school thin rim look, but it houses modern controls. The seats are heated, of course, and there's a surprising amount of space for a car this compact. Don't expect to carry 4 adults in total comfort, but for daily city drives or weekend escapes, it absolutely nails the balance. Now, let's talk performance. Unlike the original Figaro, which ran on a small turbocharged engine, the 2025 model goes fully electric. It's powered by a single front-mounted motor delivering around 150 horsepower. Modest by modern standards, but perfectly tuned for urban driving. The acceleration is smooth, the torque delivery is instant, and it's whisper quiet, just like you'd want from a modern EV. Nissan says the Figaro has a range of about 220 miles on a full charge, and with fast charging capabilities, you can get up to 80% in about 30 minutes. That's more than enough for the car's target audience: city dwellers, commuters, and those who prioritize charm and convenience over pure range or speed. Handling is nimble, and the Figaro's compact size makes it perfect for tight urban streets. The suspension is tuned more for comfort than sportiness, which matches the car's laid-back retro persona. It's not a car you race in, it's a car you cruise in. Windows down, sunroof open, music playing. This car was made for vibes. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. You get the full Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. It's as safe as it is stylish. Price-wise, the new Figaro starts around $35,000. That might feel steep for a small EV, but remember, this isn't a mass-market hatchback. This is a niche, design-driven lifestyle vehicle. It's for the driver who wants something different, something with soul. And compared to other boutique EVs or premium small cars, it actually holds its own. To wrap it up, the 2025 Nissan Figaro is more than just a nostalgia play. It's a confident, well-executed modern EV with real personality. It may not be for everyone, but for those who get it, it's a breath of fresh air in a sea of look-alike cars. Thanks for watching Motor Vision. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and drop a comment below. Would you drive the new Figaro? Or is it just too out there for you? And don't forget to subscribe for more unique car reviews, deep dives, and automotive storytelling. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your style classic.